Ramp is extremely powerful. As soon as we set up a site, we're able to do paid marketing to it, organic traffic to it, have all the reporting work.
We continue to be bullish on the future payback of the investments we have been making on our Ramp platform and believe we are poised to be at the forefront of a rebound in advertising marketplaces.
This is the most excited I've ever been in the history of System1. We've been spending the last year or so building AI into the platform, really re-engineering what we're doing as a company. And so over the last few months, we've been able to see those efforts start to pay off. And before, we used to be able to launch, hundreds of advertising campaigns every day. Now we can launch thousands at a time. System1 is one of the largest performance marketers on the internet, focusing on customer acquisition. We help advertisers, when they advertise through us, find real customers. We operate Ramp, which is a proprietary end-to-end digital marketing platform you can buy across all of the internet marketing channels, and then you can monetize via our relationships with Google, Bing, and Yahoo. We also operate some incredible brands like MapQuest, CouponFollow, and StartPage. From the day we were founded, we've been heavily focused on automation. You really can't operate at the scale we operate at without automating your processes and using machine learning. What we've found with AI is the ability to, in a really automated way, create things like new advertising campaigns.
Hey, are you looking to remodel your home?
Create content to support those advertising campaigns, and then also use machine learning combined with AI to handle things like our bid pricing. We've got some of the best advertising buyers in the world. We have some of the best data scientists and content creators in the world. What they're able to do is leverage AI, accomplish what they've been doing in the past, but do it 10 times quicker and at 10 times more scale. We spend hundreds of millions of dollars on marketing across tens of thousands of advertising campaigns, which are operating at all time across various marketing channels. It's virtually impossible unless you're using a platform designed to do that. As we've gotten much better at using Ramp to scale our own advertising buying, it really struck us that partners could use a more sophisticated platform to do their own performance marketing on. So what you're going to be seeing from System1 over the next year is us opening up those buy-side capabilities for all of our advertising partners. Our end goal is we want people to be able to run their entire business on Ramp. So they can come to us, they can handle all their advertising buying, use us for all their monetization, and really look at System1 as the best way to accelerate their business on the buy and sell side.